Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Nadulahair and they sent me over this gorgeous honey blonde bombshell. Now today we're going to be doing a straight out of the box 10-minute simple, quick, easy, beginner friendly install where you'll see how I get this one on, style her, get her nice and melted, and then of course we're going to do a few styles on this one. You'll see what she looks like as a side part, which is how she comes, and then you'll also see how we upgrade or update her to a center part, and then how we kind of get the hair out of the face as well by like a little pin back. I love this honey blonde texture paired with the beautiful curls on this one. It just complements my melanin so well, and it's going to be the perfect look for summer. She comes set as a bob, a pre-everything closure wig. You can literally have so much fun with this, and you'll see what she looks like when you wet her down. And then when she gets big and fluffy, of course I have all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. And the fact that she is a pre-everything cap construction, and she's upgraded with the upgraded drawstring at the back, the anti-slip technology with the 3 strips here as well as around the nape, which are going to keep the wig in place. Then of course we have that super paper thin adjustable strap at the center to keep her nice and snatched. This one most certainly is the perfect wig for summer, especially if you're looking for a bob with a little bit of fun color for that melanin vibe. If I did not mention, this one does come from Nadulahair, and of course I have her linked in the description box. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Only be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Who's been by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet, running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world. Ashley Bedeck. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. Ooh, Tigi dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty paid, positive. Ashley Bedeck, yeah, remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OTD dripping, she keep diamond Dakota and Dominic clean. Ashley, Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty, pay positive, and the kids stay cute. Ashley, Bedeck, yeah, remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane.
And this is the final look, love bugs. You got to see this one as the side part, the center part, as well as a little cute way to get all of the hair out of your face. And obviously, she's tea. This is what she looks like completely dried. I love the cut on this one. It's nice and edgy. And then also, it gets super full and big the drier it gets. And you can literally play with it and let it just get like fun and messy and big. And she's tea, right? I also love the honey blonde in this. The dimension, it's not just one tone. You get more of the warmer, rich color, but you get a little bit of that lighter color in there, and I have zero complaints. This one fits glueless. I added a little bit of baby hair in there, but of course you can skip that step. And yeah, she's gonna be super fun for the summer. All of my summer looks, but I'm gonna get out of here. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know which style was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.